Hello, YouTube world. Hello, hello, hello. I have an unboxing here. Unboxing here for you all. Hope everybody has a happy Thanksgiving and happy holidays past Thanksgiving. And I bought these from VERANO Hill. And I bought two of these purses. I just want to show y'all because I got a great deal on these purses and they're cute. And I'm about to carry one today, so I was like, let me go and do this video. I need to get back on my YouTube grind. I've been off of it for a while. Sorry about that, y'all, but I'm trying to get back on the grind. I've been shopping. Not as been much, though, which is good. But y'all see I've been shopping, but I have not been posting. So I'm trying to motivate myself to get on this YouTube grind again. Thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed. And let's get into it. So this one's in the dust bag. The other one is not, but the dust bag's there. So I showed you how. But I got these a couple of weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago. I ordered them about 3 weeks ago. They came in within a week or so. And they were buy one, get one free. So I got them for like 50%. Basically, buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free. So half off, basically. I think they were like, I'll put the price I paid for them. And that put the price for both bags total. Since it was buy one, get one free. I've been wanting one of these bags for a while. They're so cute. I've seen a couple of influencers talk about them maybe months back, but I just wasn't getting them. The price wasn't right. But then I seen that. I said, oh, and I can get two for the price of one? I had to do it, y'all. I had to do it. Y'all seen these little cute little bags, ain't you? I know y'all done seen these little cute little bags. See. It's so cute and little. Yeah, y'all know I like the little things. The little bags. So, and I love this little, whatever you call that. What do you call that, y'all? Tell me in the comments. I don't know. The little things. I'm going to call it a stud. What, I don't know. So, this is the one I'm carrying today because I have on my gray. And I want to carry the gray. So that's one of the cute little bags. And here's another one. This one's gray too. So that's, I must have gotten dark gray and light gray. I think that's what I did. So I got to pick my gray, which one looks the best. But I think that one's going to match the best with my little outfit I have on. Going out to eat to a soul food restaurant in here in Lexington that's really good. The service is not the best, but the food is awesome. They're not rude. It's just the service is really slow. It takes forever to get your stuff, but it's so good. So once you get your plate, your family be like, okay, it's partway worth it because the food is really good. Really, really good. I may put a clip of what I ordered, my plate or whatever, at the end of this video so y'all can see. And today is Saturday, November 22nd. I'm just throwing this stuff on the floor because I'm throwing it away after this video, these little pieces and stuff. Keep the dust bags and the purses. That's all I need. Okay. Oh, maybe this one goes better. I think this one goes better. I think this will be the one more. Let's see. I don't know, y'all. This one and this one. It's this one, y'all. It's this one. Yeah, I'm going to wear this one. You know, I was trying to get some wintry colors. And colors of bags that I don't already have the color in. So, yeah. There you go. There we go. Ooh, cute little baby bags. I love my little mini bags. I love it, love it, love it. So yeah, these are the bags. So let's just put both purses. Just cute. Just cute. I'm trying to get a thumbnail. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Y'all gonna go on VERANO Hill and get y'all some bags. They got a sale going on for Black Friday. It's about as good, I think. I think it's like they're already marked down and you get 25% more off. It might not be as good as the buy one, get one free, but check their website out. I'm not sponsored, VERANO Hill, and just keep an eye on them. And maybe you'll get a deal like I did. Buy one, get one free. Buy one, get one free. So, thank y'all for watching. Thumbs up the video, subscribe. I'm out of here. I hope you have a blessed rest of y'all weekend or rest of the week, whatever. A blessed Thanksgiving, family time, whatever you're going to call it. And I'm proud that I got this video up, y'all. I'm so proud because it's been hard for me to even do it. I just don't want to be doing videos. But I need to be getting back on my grind. Because as long as I'm shopping, I need to show it. And I've been shopping. I never stopped that. I hope y'all like my thriller video, too. I seen some of y'all comments and stuff, but that was a good time. But bye, y'all. Be blessed and be a blessing. See y'all in the next video. Deuces. Oh, and these also come with this pouch on the inside of them and a strap. Has a strap. Strap and a pouch on the inside of them. Both bags do. This style bag. Cool, cool, cool.